What's up, Wheelers? Jason at Carnage 4x4 Adventures here, and today we have something a little different. We've done a lot of work to this Jeep. Shackle reversal, 44 front, all kinds of stuff. I don't remember, it's been so long. But it has the 350 throttle body, and they don't have a heater, so they want a heater. So I already started, and then I realized I need to videotape. But here's the template for what we're doing. And it's a Summit 991107. Here's the heater. Then over here, got these Ford vents. Here. Obviously mounts the firewall there. So these trucks, the engines these came out of like a 95. Chevy has those stupid quick connect heater fittings back there. So I'm going to take that out, put in a regular fitting. And then I think I'm going to have to come off the water pump right there to run the heater hoses. And by the way, it says to drill these holes for the hoses at 1 inch, and then the mounting holes at 3/8. So we have this perfect spot right here, perfectly flat, and it's going to fit nicely. So I think we're going to come in here and then go where that quick connect goes there. I got this kit from Summit. Comes with all this jazz, 2 connectors, some clamps, hose clamps, some 5/8 heater hose. Summit 991109 add-on heater plumbing kit. Look at that noise. Boom! I thought these were going to be too small.
That's what she said!
Because I forgot I already had these. So if you don't have this kit, you can get a Dorman 56356, which is a 5/8 and 1/2 inch. The other is gonna go here. So don't forget, when you Teflon tape something, you go this way. So when you thread it on, it doesn't peel it off here. We got this valve, shut off the coolant when it's hot out. MFA 135. So I did put this in here. It actually needed to go higher than what I had it. So I'm just going to go way up here. See where this goes, like this. Here, it's going to put a hole right about there, right about there, right about there, and then our 2 heater hose is going to go there. So this one, it may have to do a loop to go to there. Just come from there, come over. It may kink, maybe not. You may have enough room. If not, we're going to have to go whoop, and then back in. just gonna have to drill those holes just a little bigger. Well, fully put in, but it's in. Now we got to go on the other side and put on the nuts, almost like it was made to fit. So it says there is an inlet outlet, which I didn't read before, so now I'm going to take... So here we are. Inlet. Outlet. We did a little research, and here's our coolant flow from the intake. Ours is back there, but still up. Shutoff valve. I'm going to put the shutoff valve there. I'm going to put it on the outlet, though, because I don't have enough room. Comes back out and down into the water pump. So our outlet on the rear of the intake is going to go on that inlet side we saw. So I forgot to turn the camera on, but put this valve right here. So we're going to take this hose, we're going to roll it up around here, bring it through here and into there, because that's the inlet. And our outlet will just go whoop. Here, and if I have to cut some off, I can. Ow! ignition power, which on this particular vehicle is a pain in the butt. Oh God, trying to get anything in here is such a pain. So we got our fuse wired in up there. The ignition is over there. Ground is right there. System. So it looks like it was meant to be there. Right there, 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 right there. High and low. It looks like we were right. 95, 75. So we got it down to there. Now it's not there. Thanks for watching. See you next one.